What's up, everybody? Manny Coates here. I'm the CEO and founder of Helium 10, and I've got something super awesome for you guys. It was just released yesterday, and you're gonna trip out. This is really cool. How many times have you guys wondered, I wonder what keywords my competitors are actually bidding on in sponsored ads? I wish I knew what they're going after, right? Well, we've been tracking this for a while now, okay? We've been tracking this data. Like I told you guys before, we track over 450 million ASINs, the largest database on the planet outside of Amazon themselves in terms of actual product on Amazon. 450 million and growing. So check this out. I'm gonna show you how you can get those keywords. It's crazy. I love it. Okay, so we're going to Amazon and I'm gonna type in snorkel mask. And we're gonna go through this pretty quickly here because I wanna get through this fast. All right, so you got the first four results are sponsored. Sponsored, and sponsored. You can click into one of those and grab the ASIN, or you can grab anything else, okay? I'm gonna grab this one right here. This one looks good. Doesn't matter which one, this looks interesting. And by the way, if you see all of this data up at here, I'm pointing at it right now, right up here and up here. It shows the subcategories, the ASIN, it shows how many sellers. All of that is being inserted by our Helium 10 Chrome extension. This guy right up here. You can get that for free by going to helium10.com/extension, okay? Once you do that, you'll have this up here, and I'm actually gonna click on it right now, okay? And it's got X-ray and ASIN grabber and other things, but I'm gonna launch the Helium 10 tools. That's that little button right there, and this is gonna load up all of our tools here. I'm gonna go down to Cerebro. Okay, Cerebro is our reverse ASIN tool. Reverse ASIN meaning all I have to do is paste in an ASIN right here, and it will tell me all of these search terms that we've found for that product actually showing up in the search results, right? So it's a way of getting, like spying on your competitor and seeing where they show up in the search results for all these keywords. But here's what's different. This is what was not there yesterday. This button right here, this drop down. It says organic results, that's the default, that's the original Cerebro. But now if you click it and you scroll down here, it says sponsored results. That's what we want. We want to see the sponsored products that show up. So I've never done this one. So let's do a reverse search, okay? Now it's gonna go out there and it's gonna find all the keywords that we found that this product is actually showing up for as a sponsored ad. Like when someone types one of these keywords in, it shows up in the sponsored ads. And look at this, guys. Over here, there's 724 phrases, keyword phrases, that this have showed up, or this product right here has showed up for these keywords. So ocean mask, someone typed that in, this product has showed up. Scuba mouthpiece, dive mask, scuba gear, and so forth. So we now know what product, or sorry, what keywords this product is showing up under. Now, if there's more than about 200 keywords over here, what that typically means is that they have an auto campaign going, and a lot of these keywords are just automatically being shown by Amazon, okay? When it's over about 200, that's what we've found. So this one's running an auto campaign, but you're getting a lot of the keyword data from the auto campaign, right? If it's small, like if it's like 50 or 40 or 20 or something like that, then you know you're getting, they're running like manual campaigns and you're getting those specific terms. So that's super cool. Right now, we don't have any additional data on the sponsored ads other than what we're showing right here. These are the keywords, which is fantastic, by the way, right? Other services out there sell you this report. What we just showed right now with this ASIN, okay, would have cost you money. It would cost you a few dollars, and you wouldn't have gotten as many results as you get here. You can run this indefinitely, as many times as you want, so you're gonna save thousands of dollars if you really use this tool. So we wanted to give this to all of our Helium 10 members. It's part of Cerebro, and it's part of the Helium 10 suite of tools now, okay? But what we're gonna be adding here shortly is gonna be really cool. We're gonna have more data, a lot more analytics. We're gonna show you the occurrence of the ads. We're gonna show you where they position typically. Is it like constantly showing up above other people that are bidding on the same keyword? There's gonna be a lot of cool stuff coming, okay? And we're gonna grandfather those people that get in now with that data. I'm not sure what we're gonna be doing for those that sign up afterwards yet. I honestly don't know. So if you're not a Helium 10 member, definitely get in so that you can start using this stuff. But it's super cool. Here, let's go back. Let's do another one. Let me find something. How many reviews does this have? 332. Let's find something that has almost no reviews. This one. It's only got 6. So I'm going to copy this one. Okay, we're going to go to Cerebro. I'm going to paste it in. Click on sponsored. Hit reverse search. And we're just going to wait here. Okay, there we go. So this one came up with 269 keywords. So it's still over 200, right? I would say that they're running auto campaigns, and you're going to see it's probably auto campaigns because look, it's got sunglasses, small face that this is showing up. So Amazon's probably testing that, or maybe someone is running a manual campaign with this. I doubt it. But again, we get all the keywords. These are actual keywords, okay, again, that this product has showed up in sponsored results. It's just super awesome, guys. So anyways, that's under Cerebro. I recommend you guys get in there. I'm gonna try to keep adding some additional features that are just gonna blow away everything. We got some really neat stuff coming. So let me know what you think in the comments, okay? And yeah, go out there and crush it. Talk to you next time. Wait. If you are not a Helium 10 member yet, if you do not have that little blue right up here, this little blue extension, the Helium 10 Chrome extension on your system yet, you're missing out. You're letting 99% of Amazon sellers run all over you, okay? You've got to get this. It's free. The extension is free, okay? So get this today. Just head over to helium10.com/extension, and that'll do it, okay? You're gonna see this little pop-up right here, and then you're gonna hit this green button that says Add to Chrome. I've already added it, so it shows that it's already been added. But you click Add to Chrome, and you're set, and you can go in there, and you can start doing all kinds of ninja stuff, guys. It's gonna be amazing. So try it, okay? Get in there and download it, and yeah, start crushing it. Take care.